This is the input shaft. It's the same through all the years. It has this bearing on the back, which is the same bearing that's on the forward end of the output shaft. This gear, the main gear, drives the transmission. All the years, same teeth, same diameter. This surface right here is the bearing surface that the roller bearing inside the intermediate plate drives. This is the surface for the seal. Of course, these are the splines for the clutch. And this is for the pilot bearing that goes in the end of the crankshaft. The weight exam, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but this bearing surface right here is pitted quite badly. I'll try to get in closer. Maybe you can see, but I don't know if this camera will focus good enough. But if there's pitting, the bearing is bad, and it'll be noisy when the clutch is out. When you push in the clutch, the shaft stops turning. And if the noise stops when you push in the clutch, it's a pretty good sign that that's your problem. So when this is spinning, push in the clutch, it stops. So when it's spinning, it's noisy. Push in the clutch, the noise stops. And you can see that severe pitting. That's really bad. And this was it came out of the transmission. It was really noisy. This one's got a little bit of pitting. Not as severe, but I wouldn't use it. And this is a good one. There's no pitting, and it's not grooved. Some of these get so bad they get a groove in them. You see, this one has a groove in it. And they're definitely bad. This one was in a car that the guy said it wasn't noisy, but there was no pilot bearing in the back of the crank. It had totally been destroyed, so this didn't have any support on this end. So it must have stressed out that bearing and it wrecked. Now I suppose this could be fixed. If you stick this in a lathe and turn it down, and then have them chrome plate it, and then turn it in a lathe down to the correct diameter, could probably be salvaged. So I'm saving this for future use. This is the input shaft. This is the bearing surface, and I had a machinist turn it down, and then he pressed a sleeve on it. It's actually twice as long as this, and you can see where he cut it in half. But after he turned down the shaft, he pressed this on so it was a tight fit, and then he cut it in half so he could use another one. Use this on another input shaft. See, he did 3 input shafts for me. He charged me 88 bucks a piece. Now I'm going to take the bearing off the input shaft. Just tighten that nut on the top down and pull that thing right off of there.